What's the meaning of compost? Compost. Compost.
Compost. Compost. Compost is a soil amendment made from organic matter, such as food scraps, yard waste, and leaves. It is created by allowing these materials to decompose over time, with the help of microorganisms that break them down into a nutrient-rich substance that can be added to soil to improve its structure and fertility. Compost can improve soil's ability to retain water, support healthy plant growth, and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Applying compost to soil can result in healthier, more productive plants and a more sustainable approach to gardening and agriculture.